What is up, guys, and welcome back. So now in this video we're going to be overviewing all the settings of WooCommerce. Okay, so let's just go to dashboard right here, and you can see that we will be taken to the dashboard. We have two options that are created right now. This is WooCommerce and then this is products. So here you can manage all the settings, and then here you can add your products. So let's just go here and let's click here. It's going to take you to the orders page, where here in the orders section it's going to show all the orders that has been done, that has been processed, or that needs to be processed, or that needs to be shipped. So everything is gonna come here. Okay, so when we will be working up with the products, we will add it. We'll also just add some order from us. Okay, so we will also just do fake order so that everything will come here. I'll explain you each and everything. You can see here everything will be coming. Okay, and in the coupon section, you can create a coupon. You can create a coupon if you are running a sale on your website for 50% off everything. You can create a coupon. You can give it to your loved ones. You can give it to your professional. You can give it to your customers. You can give it to people who are in your mailing list and something like that. Okay, so you can run that. Okay, you can create a coupon. And then we have the reports. Here it's going to show the reports of the sales that has been done. You can see that everything that is coming right here. We have the customers right here. It's going to show a list of customers that has been added to here. The customer sales, the guest sales. It's going to show a graph hole coming here. And then we have the stock. It's going to show that what are the products that are low on stock, what are the products that are out of on stock, and what are the products that are most stocked in your e-commerce site. So the products that are most stocked, you can run a sale that they're not being sold or something like that. Okay, and then we have the settings right here. Here we're gonna manage every setting that we have. You can see that we have the address, and these are already added when we just first work and install the WooCommerce. Okay, then we have the city, we have the country, postcode, and everything right here. Okay, so then we have the products tab right here. In the products, we have everything. We have shipping as well. Okay, so you can see that we have shipping for Pakistan, and then we have the shipping for the country where we don't have assigned the shipping zone. So we can assign a shipping zone for another country. Like if I want to assign the shipping zone to China, or if I want to assign the shipping zone to US or UK or something like that, I can do that. I can also go to the checkout, and then here I can just check everything here. So the pages also been created. Everything is right here. The payment gateways are coming right here. Okay, and then we have the accounts tab. Okay, so in the accounts tab, I'm going to tell the people that enable customer registration on the checkout page. The customer must be registered in order to just buy anything. So you can just do work with it, and everything is right here. And then in the emails, you can work with that. If any order is created, the email is going to be sent to this. If his order on hold, the email is going to be sent to customers. If his order is completed, the email will be sent to this customer, and something like that, everything. Okay, so we will be working up with this. And then we have the last one is the API. So how API works, if you want to connect your mobile with this website, okay, you can do it. Or if you want to just connect your site to Printful, you can also do it. I'm going to show you what a Printful is, how it is worked, everything I'm going to show you in this course. Okay, so you can connect your mobile with this with using API. And how this will work is that if you want to post anything, any product from that app, then you can post that app with API. So I'm going to show you how this is going to work. Then we have the status, and it will tell us the status of our website, that if our website is compatible with our hosting environment. Okay, you can see these are giving some things, but these are not much recommended. Okay, so everything is totally up and running. We have to set up the terms and conditions page. We'll set it up. Okay, so everything is totally up and running. And then we have finally some extensions. Okay, so in the extensions, we can work with these things as well. I'll tell you in the later on. Okay, so now we have worked with this one right here. Let's just go to the products, and let's go to all products right here. So in the all products tab, it's going to show all the products that we have, same like post. In the post, if you go to all post, it's going to show all the post. If you go to add new, it's going to add a new product. product, and then we have the categories, tags, and the attributes. So everything is exactly same as this. Okay, so this is going to be so much fun. I don't think so if I should explain you this, because you guys already have got the idea that how can we assign product a category, how can we assign product a tag, and something like that. So we will be doing that in the next video, so stay tuned guys, and in the next video we will be adding a first product and work for that. So stay tuned and bye bye.